I'm speaking from St. Cecilia altar, from the altar of St. Cecilia, and I'm addressing myself to the brother of Reverend Robert. I want to fulfill your wish in presenting your late brothers Charles, right? Charles and Patton, so Oishiborium, to my brother Father Daniel, who is the country director of Kenya USA Christian Relief and Development, and also a priest from the local area. I want you to know the parishioners of St. Therese are very grateful to all of you for the support you give them. I have all the children here. Tomorrow we are going to have a party for them. All thanks to St. Therese and everyone of that parish. So today I just wanted to do what I was commissioned to do, and I am doing it to you, Father. Thank you.
For presenting this very precious gift. This is the chalice, this is the shiborium or pattern, and as you can see, it's made from pure gold. This is pure gold. Christ will appreciate this gift as he serves at his holy altar with me and with everybody else, because it is not going to perish or to kind of fade away. It will last for generations and generations. I'll use it and hand it over to another priest who will continue using this very precious chalice. Thank you. God bless you.